right, everybody, so we got here the C4 Ford transmission, it's automatic transmission. This is out of the 66 Mustang Fastback. We were going back and forth on what to do for a transmission for that car, but we're going to leave it alone as an automatic because as of the last couple of years, automatics are selling better than manual transmissions. Probably so your wife or your girlfriend can drive, or maybe you're just a guy my age and you can't drive a stick. I can. We're going to get this thing cleaned up. These are aluminum case transmissions. This thing should be bright and shiny, silver or gray when it's done. But since we're gonna send this out and get it rebuilt before we put it back in the car, it's time to get this thing all cleaned up. So Shane's gonna hop on it. Should be a pretty satisfying transformation to get all this grease off of here and get everything looking good again. So I hope you enjoy this little cleaning video. It's basically all it's gonna be. Keep an eye out for more content like that on this channel. Oh, that's a greaser. Oh man, that shit stinks. Oh, Shane. Oh,
it's all over myself.
Yep.
Got it.
I'll tell you one thing. Shane never complains, ever. Never, ever. He just took a transmission fluid bath and didn't complain at all.
Okay.
Richie, can you pull this out for me? I'm gonna lift it up. Oh, what's up, Paul? That's Joe and Richie's cousin.
Hey, Paul, more family.
More family.